So you are given one actual force. This is the actual force given. And then you are given one object. This is the object. This is the object lah. Okay, object. This object is acted by a force of F. Okay. This force of F is actually acting at an angle of theta from horizontal. We want to know what is the value of this force if it is resolved, ditukar arah. All right. We change the direction to be Fx. What is the value of F in this direction? To solve this, what we do, we take the actual force, we change its direction to the direction that we want. Now we want it to be horizontal. So change to horizontal direction. This is horizontal direction. So what is the value of this force now? So what we do, we find the relationship between them in a right angle triangle. Always the rules here, actual force must be hypotenuse. So actual force is changed to any other direction, actual force must be hypotenuse. So actual force is here, change to this direction, you draw a right angle triangle. So what is the relationship? Cos theta equals to Fx over F. Easier this. So what is the value of Fx? F times cos theta. F times cos theta. So you get the value. This is how we solve this. Okay, to identify the vertical value after a force is resolved. Okay, let's say now the actual acting force is F. We want to know the value of this force once it is resolved vertically. So take this force and tukar arah jadi vertical. So this is the actual force. Change it to the vertical direction. We label it Fy. Okay. The angle in between these two forces is 90 minus theta because here is theta. So in a mathematical value, if this is 40, this is 50. Same concept. Actual force is here. Change it to this direction called Fy. Draw a right angle triangle. Actual force always must be hypotenuse. Hypotenuse. So you get the Fy. So this is the triangle that you get, the right angle triangle. So use this right angle triangle, find the relationship between these two forces. Actual force change to this direction. So angle between them 90 minus theta. So cos 90 minus theta equals to adjacent over hypotenuse Fy over F. So you realize Fy equals to F cos 90 minus theta. So Fy is F sine theta. Why? Because cos 90 minus theta is also equals to sine theta. Or cos theta equals to sine 90 minus theta. But I always like you all to use one equation, cos. Use cos. So cos theta or cos whatever angle value is always equals to adjacent over hypotenuse. So easier for you all to remember. So you won't make mistake. The whole idea is not to make mistake. Right? Whole idea is to remain in the one formula where cos whatever angle given equals to adjacent over hypotenuse. So the hypotenuse, the actual force, and adjacent the force where you resolve to any direction. This is how we solve this. All right. So vertical resolution.